In today's video, we're going to be talking about the new feature that GoHighLevel has dropped, and it's called Voice AI. So we're going to be talking about how to prompt the AI to know exactly what to say, and we're going to walk through the full setup process on how to set this up so you can start selling it to your clients. Now, GoHighLevel is actually doing something really special right now. They're actually making these AI features available till the end of the year. And what I mean by till the end of the year is that they're actually going to be free. So take advantage of this right now. Make sure to set this up for some clients if they want to try it out. I'm actually going to set it up for a client right here, right in front of you, the viewer on the video. So reach out to your client, see who wants to use it, and then try and upsell them once that free term ends with GoHighLevel. And let's go ahead and get straight into it. Now we're ready to go ahead and get started. So let's go click this button, opt in for AI employee now. Click on it. Click on do not charge location, and then click subscription, click next, and then there you go. Your unlimited plan will be free until December 31st. And then you click start using AI employee, and then it'll let you write in. So in this video, we're going to be talking about voice AI. So let's click on that. It's going to pull up the screen and it's going to say no data. So what you need to do is you actually need to create an agent. So you click create, and then you can customize the agent's name. So let's say, for instance, this name is Jack. The business name is automatically going to be filled in. We're going to call it Illscapes. And then you can choose from different voices. GoHighLevel actually has 60 voices that you can choose from, and you can test them all out. So for instance, let's go with Adam.
It is not enough to have a good mind.
That one sounds a little robotic. Let's go with, let's try another one. Let's go with Brian.
The thing always happens that you really believe.
Yeah, let's try Brian.
The belief in a thing makes it happen.
Brian sounds good, so we're going to do that one. And then we're going to do inbound call. And the agent's initial message, this is what they're going to say in the very beginning. So by default, it's going to have, hey, you have reached Illscapes. How can we help you today? There's nothing wrong with that message, so you can either change that or you can keep it the same if you would like. So then let's click next. If you're interested in starting your own GoHighLevel agency, I actually just dropped my very own course. This course walks you through from start to finish on how to build your GoHighLevel agency, and then also gives you some tips and tricks on how to get clients. And not only just that, if you are to sign up with my referral link, not only will I give you a list of 1,000 leads of Google My Business pages without a website, you also get my cold calling script. But that's only for the next 5 people that sign up. So if you're looking to get started with GoHighLevel, now is your time to take action and get active in the GoHighLevel agency space. So with that being said, let's get back into the video. And then so this is where it kind of decides, this is more of the basic features, I should say. So if you just want them to get the name, email, address, contacts, issue, and then you can even trigger a workflow off of it and send it through whatever you would like. Or you can even do receive email notification post call completion. That's what you want to check on. You want to make sure that that's on, just because this is how it's going to be able to send the business owner the email after the call has been completed. So let's do contacts, assign users. Let's do, let's see, specific users. There it is. I was wondering why it wasn't working. Okay, let's do that. Select the name and then custom email. It's pretty much going to automatically send it unless you need that custom email. Then you can type it in, but the email is already linked to this user, James, so you don't have to worry about that. So just leave it on specific user if that's your situation. But also what I would really like to stress on is make sure to use advanced mode. That's what I highly recommend, just because advanced mode, you're going to be able to come up with a prompt where it's going to be way more specific and it's going to work better. And so let's take this default prompt and we're actually going to put this into ChatGPT. And then let's type out the message. So let's go to ChatGPT and let's say, write me actually let's do modify this script. It's for an AI receptionist. And make sure to sound professional, and also make sure to ask for the customer's name, and then ask for the email, and make sure to spell back the email that the customer says on the phone for verification. And also make sure to get the reason why they are calling. This is a landscaping business, so keep that in mind. And then you just paste in the initial prompt that GoHighLevel gives you, because it honestly works very well. And let's click enter and let's see what it does. Okay, there it is, gathering. Thank you. Provide your email address so we can stay in touch and ensure prompt follow-up. Yep, that's good. And it kind of breaks it all down. And then you can see the purpose of the call. And you can see in the very beginning, it asks for their name. That's going to be really important because that's what's going to be included in the email. Reassurance, I also get you valued. Rest assured, our team will follow up with you as soon as possible. Call conclusion. So yeah, everything looks good. I would say make the agent's name. I believe we said Jack, if I'm not mistaken. That was the agent's name. And also once the call info, once all of the info required, and the call at the end. Make sure to include that as well, and then let it spit back out the prompt. It's going to load. There you go. And then we'll go ahead and upload this into GoHighLevel. Alright, so now we are all good to paste this into GoHighLevel, and the prompt has been inputted. There you go. And then so you can set up the actions for what you want it to do. You can either, if you want it to do a call transfer, if you want it to trigger a workflow, update contact field, or send an SMS message. It's whichever one you would like, but for this example, we're just gonna not have these on. And if you scroll down more, trigger workflow whenever call is completed. Again, that's like the features before that we went over. Just if you want it to trigger a workflow, then you can check that off. Email notification, that's whenever you would do, I would recommend doing specific users and then choosing the user of the business owner, and then you should be all good to go. And then click next. So now all you do is just type in the phone number that you want it to go to. This one's going to be it by default just because that's the one on the account. And then you click the set working hours. So if they have certain working hours that they want this bot on, then you can go ahead and do that, or you can just make it a 24-hour bot. That way they're never missing out on any potential leads that come through. So really that's up to you and the business owner to talk about. And then you just click save. This is where you can go ahead and test the bot. You just select the default number in the account, and then you type in your phone number just to give it a test, and then you click call me. And so I actually already did that yesterday. I'm going to stitch in the clip of how the call went in this video. But yeah, that's how you go about setting up the AI receptionist. That's a name that I like to call it, is the AI receptionist. I think this is going to be absolutely game-changing for businesses just because of how easy it is. Number one, for you to set up, the agency owner, and number two, of how impactful it's going to be for the business owner. It's going to save a lot of time, a lot of missed leads that can come through. So I just think that's a great feature all in all. So here's a clip of that example call.
Hey, you have reached Dreamspace Renovations. How can I help you today?
I'm looking to get a kitchen remodel done.
That's exciting. To get started, may I have your full name, please?
John Smith.
Great, John Smith. Could you also provide your email address?
johnsmith123@gmail.com.
Thanks, John. Just to confirm, your email is johnsmith123@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yes.
Perfect. How soon are you looking to get an estimate for your kitchen remodel? Remember, we offer free estimates to help you start planning.
I'm thinking about next month.
Sounds good. When would be the best time for a team member to follow up with you?
Tomorrow between 3 p.m. to 5 p.m.
Got it. We'll have someone reach out to you tomorrow between 3 and 5 p.m. Thanks for choosing Dreamspace Renovations, John. We can't wait to help bring your kitchen vision to life. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too. So that's how you go about setting up the AI receptionist. Very easy, very simple. I highly recommend talking to some of your clients right now, specifically the ones that like auto missed call text back. Give them a call, let them know that this is a new feature that you have to offer and it's going to be free until the end of the year. That way you can possibly even upsell them. They're already sold on auto missed call text back, and this is just a 10 times better version of that. So there's no reason of why they shouldn't want to try it and why they shouldn't want to pay whatever the cost is that you're charging for the AI receptionist. So try and implement this into your business. I highly recommend it, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to set up the AI receptionist.